Guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be working on the boat today, so let's get into it. This is the boat that we're going to be working on. It's got a 7.5 Mercury on it. I already ripped the seats out. Well, just one. I kept this one in. They're actually pretty nice. 360 seats. I actually took the live well out, but I put it back in. I ripped that thing out. That was in the back right here. That's the 7.5 Mercury. This is a 360 seat too, but I don't really want it in here because it just gives me so much more room. But yeah, let's get into it. Forgot the toolbox. So first, we're going to be taking these cup holders out. Let's see, we need a screwdriver. There we go, one screw down. Where'd it go? Right there. Ripped the harness or the wires for the light out yesterday because this is more of a project boat. So we're definitely going to put new lights in it. This is hard to do with one hand. Alright, I'll get back to y'all in a second. One left. Cup holder has finally came out. That's where it was bolted in it. Got two out so far because I did that one yesterday. So let's get into the other one. Two screws out. And it officially is out. Now the hard part. We gotta put them back in. First one down, second one to go. Alright, got them back. Got them both back in. What am I saying? But there we go. Let's see what else there is to do. Nothing much, really. It's just about it. Well, I guess that ends the video. Peace.